Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic topic to discuss: overnight oats. Whether you're a busy professional or a health-conscious individual, overnight oats are a convenient and nutritious breakfast option that can transform your mornings. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of overnight oats, covering their benefits, usage, quantity, what not to use, and more. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the incredible benefits of overnight oats. They're not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Overnight oats are a time saver. You prepare them the night before, and they're ready to eat in the morning. Oats are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a heart-healthy choice. They provide sustained energy throughout the day, helping you stay full and focused. You can customize overnight oats with a variety of toppings, from fruits and nuts to sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Overnight oats are gentle on the stomach and can promote healthy digestion due to their high fiber content. They can assist in weight management as they help control appetite and prevent unhealthy snacking. With overnight oats, you can say goodbye to morning breakfast preparation stress. They are ready to eat as soon as you wake up. How to make overnight oats. Now, let's dive into how to make overnight oats. You'll need rolled oats, a liquid, like milk or yogurt, and your choice of toppings. A typical ratio is 1:1 oats to liquid. For example, 1 cup of oats and 1 cup of milk or yogurt. Simply combine the oats and liquid in a jar or container. Add your favorite toppings like berries, nuts, seeds, or a touch of sweetness. Cover the container and refrigerate overnight or for at least 4-6 hours. What not to use. Now, let's talk about what not to use in your overnight oats. Limit the use of heavy sugars or syrups, as they can add unnecessary calories. Be mindful of excessive use of high-fat ingredients like heavy cream or full-fat yogurt. Don't go overboard with salt. A pinch for flavor is fine, but too much can be unhealthy. Now, let's explore some exciting variations and flavor ideas for your overnight oats. The classic combination of oats, milk, honey, and fresh berries. Add cocoa powder and a dash of vanilla extract for a chocolatey treat. Mix in some diced pineapple, shredded coconut, and a splash of coconut milk. For a protein boost, swirl in peanut butter with sliced bananas. Combine diced apples, cinnamon, and a drizzle of maple syrup for that comforting apple pie flavor. Meal prep and storage are crucial when it comes to overnight oats. Store your overnight oats in the refrigerator for up to 3-4 days. Consider making multiple servings at once to have breakfast ready for the entire week. Invest in portable containers for a convenient breakfast at the office or while traveling. To boost the nutritional value of your overnight oats, you can add some superfoods. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Just a spoonful can provide a nutritional punch. Flax seeds are rich in antioxidants and can help improve heart health. Before we wrap up, let's address a general concern of our viewers. Can you make overnight oats with dairy-free milk? Absolutely, yes. You can use almond milk, soy milk, or any dairy-free alternative you prefer. It's a great option for those with dietary restrictions or preferences. Overnight oats are a breakfast game-changer, offering a multitude of benefits, endless flavor possibilities, and convenient meal prep options. They're a perfect choice for a healthier and stress-free start to your day. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you're inspired to try out some delicious overnight oats recipes. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite overnight oats variations, please do so in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty update from us. Until next time, take care and enjoy your breakfast. Bye for now.